This is an Alienware theme file. It defines the custom lighting and colors for your Alienware hardware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load the theme. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading ATH file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. An ATH file is an Alienware theme file. These files contain custom visual settings and configurations specifically designed for Alienware computers. They allow users to personalize the look and feel of their desktop environment, including colors, wallpapers, sound schemes, and other aesthetic elements. The ATH file format typically stores theme settings in a proprietary format specific to Alienware's theme engine. It may include references to image files, sound files, and color palettes. The theme engine reads this file and applies the settings to the operating system's visual elements, customizing the user experience. The initial software setup links the ATH file directly to Alienware Command Center by Dell. The system gives a basic report but ignores the file's complex structure. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the ATH file and choose Open With. Use Alienware Command Center as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If you cannot access the ATH file, no problem. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use Alienware Command Center. Double-click the file to open it in the Alienware Command Center to apply custom lighting and desktop themes to your computer. Next, check AlienFX settings. Open the AlienFX section of your system settings and look for an Import button to manually load the theme file. Finally, open in Notepad. Open the ATH file in Notepad to view the XML code that defines the specific colors and brightness levels for your hardware. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.